How's it going, everybody? Handymanly Mike here on site in Decula, Georgia. And today I'm going to be showing you guys how to remove a concrete footing from the ground using post hole diggers and the scissor jack that is in the back of most vehicles. So what we're going to do, you'll see I've actually already kind of gotten this started. And I actually have to do this to 7 fence posts, so I'm super happy that I stumbled upon this method. It is, I didn't see anybody else using this method on the internet, so hopefully some of you folks can use this and it really helps you out. So I'm going to show you guys what I've gotten so far. You can't see it too well, but this square right here is where the old post sat. All of these posts, because of how this land is graded, all of these posts rotted at the bottom, or most of them did. And so what we're going to have to do is remove this concrete footing without the aid of the post actually helping us get any leverage on it. So what we're going to do is get the post hole diggers and dig down about 12 inches in all directions, coming out from that post. So you want an entire circle around it, and you'll see that's the one. That's where we pulled the first post out. As you can see, I went ahead and dug down with my post hole diggers about 12 to 14 inches around the entire perimeter here of this footing. And once I had enough clearance, I put the scissor jack down in there, and I can't find the rod that normally hooks onto this part, so I'm having to just sort of improvise, but it's working nonetheless. But you see, I'm not even close to having this scissor jack extended all the way out, and we've already created quite a good little gap right here. So this is just something, you know, that is very clearly just utilizing the tools that we have to make our jobs a lot easier. Now, what you'll do is, like I said, continue to extend this, and you'll eventually feel it break away from its hold, sort of like a tooth that's coming loose. So we're going to continue to crank it, and we'll show you what we got once we have it pulled out. All right, what you'll notice is that as we are pushing this, not only is it pushing it over, but as this starts to lean, this part of the jack starts to catch it and also push it up and out of its position. Now, a couple things that I want to note. First of all, what I had to do was make sure we definitely want good clearance for the jack, but especially because when you put your fat end or the bottom of the jack right up against this mud here, it needs to be in a place where it's not going to push this dirt up. So it needs to be in a place where it's well packed in. So I figure about 6 to 8 inches down is bare minimum. You want to get as deep down as you can. Now, that also means that you'll want to get the part of the jack that you would normally put up under your vehicle. That's the part that's going to go on the footing, and you'll see in just a moment that'll help us to pull this out. And that's about a 2-foot concrete footing. So they did a good job putting this in here, but it just rotted right there. But y'all saw how easy that was for me to pull out. It just took me a few minutes, and like I said earlier, I've got to do this to 7 posts. So this definitely was a good little innovation. I hope you guys enjoy it. Definitely like the video, share it, and let me know if there's anything else that you guys have questions about. My name's Handymanly Mike. It's been a pleasure, and I'll see you next time.